This is what I throw on when I have nothing to wear that always gets compliments. Let's get into my go-to uniforms that never fail and always look put together no matter the vibes. If you happen to be new here, I am Jordan Blackwell and I share realistic style tips to help you be confident and shop smarter, along with travel, beauty, and other lifestyle videos. And let's dive right in with my first no-fail combination that always makes me feel confident, and that is an elevated top and some fun pants. I've done a few outfit combinations like this because it always makes me feel amazing. Plus, it ages so well. I mean, look at Greasy. How good does she look at her age with this fun crop button-up and easy jeans? Now, I've done this a few different ways. I have this local European top and these fun biker pants, which might look familiar if you watch the Baltimore vlog, giving very elevated but fun and playful. Here is another one that I literally wear all the time. This easy crop button-up is from H&M. One of the best purchases, 100% cotton, under $30, and just looks absolutely amazing, paired with my most asked about jeans to date, and I've literally only had them for a month, and that is the Good Jeans from Kai Collective. I'm wearing these in a size medium in the regular length. They look so good and they're so fun and they're so breezy. And what I love about a base like this is you literally can dress it up regardless of your style aesthetic. If you want to be more classic, opt for a traditional button up. And if you want to be a little bit more traditional, you could do a crop jacket with some heels. Here is how I'm going to be accessorizing it with my go-to summer sandals that literally look good with everything. These ones from Senzo are literally 7 years old. The best $100 I have ever spent, especially with that wooden detail, y'all. They look so good and they are comfortable. For a bag, keeping it very playful, especially because Kai has this fun design on the jeans. The Jacquemus bag, that's right, the loop detail on the Nued bag is so playful, and those are the details that always make me feel confident because I know the girlies are gonna ask about the jeans, but seeing the way the sandals and the bag comes together really lets the pants pop and be playful, right? I also, of course, with the warm weather, would get some sunnies, my favorite. These Sojo sunnies, under $30, very much giving Bottega, but on a budget, and honestly just great quality for the price point because y'all know how I feel about overpaying for sunnies. Let me know if you agree with that sentiment below. I just feel like this is so elevated. Indoor, outdoor sunnies are my style secret for looking put together, especially when you are trying to elevate your everyday summer fits. I mean, you don't have to do this, right? Because the sunnies just work indoor and outdoor vibes, right? Of course, we need a fragrance, and I've been mixing these two fragrances, and I think I've unlocked a new character. Sol de Janeiro Cheirosa with the Maison Margiela Afternoon Delight, y'all, it's like a smoky roasted pistachio. When I tell you it's just giving grown almond croissant, it's giving I'm a snackiana. I have been stopped and hounded over this combo pack so much. Like the toasty vanilla in this is already so good, but this gives it a little bit more of a spring summery flair, making it so perfect. And just topping off a look, because I cannot stress how much fragrance has really helped me to build out confidence as well. Like even on my bummy days, I'ma smell good and someone's going to compliment me, and that just literally makes you feel like that girl. I don't know what to tell you, but is there anything more elite than you're feeling like I am looking crazy bummy and someone gives you a compliment because you smell good? I don't know, name a better experience below and let me know your thoughts on this fit while I get changed into the next one for my girlies who love a good dress. When it comes to a cute brunch, coffee, or dinner date where I just do not have any brain cells, I'm really surprised now that I'm older to find myself reaching for dresses. Now, you guys have been snapping up this dress from Vici Collection ever since I shared it from the spring, and for good reason. Like, it's so breathable, it's so flattering, plus it is the perfect base dress. Like, you're probably noticing I'm saying that statement a lot, like a good base piece or a good base outfit, because I truly believe in versatility. So I'm always looking at pieces that I'm gonna be able to dress up or dress down and are going to work season after season. And this dress with heels, with sneakers, going into the fall season, coming back around for spring, working perfectly for summer, like that's versatility in my book. And on the days that it is hot in here, like so hot I do actually want to take my clothes off, I love a good crochet dress, y'all. A crochet dress is honestly slept on by the Midwest girlies, which I get, because you're probably thinking about how do I layer this appropriately. However, allow me to introduce to you this ASOS dress. Gorgeous. She gorgeous. I have this in a size 6. It is spacious but still serving body because of that middle ruching. So good. Now in the colder days, I suggest getting a romper to wear underneath. You could do a nude romper or you could do a brown romper, right? It's gonna look like skin, nobody's gonna see. But on the warmer days, I'm not gonna lie. A nude bra, a nude pair of underwear, I'm out the door. It's just so good, so easy, and it's breathable because in the summertime, I feel most confident when I don't feel hot, when I don't feel like my clothes are fussy, when I don't feel like I'm constantly reaching and tugging. So this dress, I'm not thinking about how hot I am. I'm not thinking about my belly. I know that it is flattering, regardless of which angle you catch me in, okay? And that is always going to make me feel my most confident. And those are the pieces I'm constantly looking at for my wardrobe. And to elevate this for every day, of course, we need the right shoes. And I love the summer because I can finally bust out my Dior's. They be sitting in my closet looking like, baby, is it our time to shine? And I just love that little bit of pattern play, giving neutral but still a pop and something different to elevate this olive color of the dress. Of course, we need a bag. Now tell me I'm not the only one, because my first instinct whenever I do kind of wear my resort wear as everyday outfits is to still dress it like I'm on vacation on a beach in Mexico. And I really have been eyeing up this bag from H&M that it's so good, and the tassels, and I don't have a bag that is extra like that. But I think that would just be so fun for everyday, like that at the farmer's market, right? But for a more chill day or a date, I wanted to play more with the pattern. Of course, I'm bringing out Michael, Mr. Kors if you're nasty, in this fun animal print. Still giving neutrals, a slight mix of print, but not too overwhelming that you're distracted by the pattern play. You already know what sunnies I'm gonna reach for, so I'm not even gonna bother, and we're gonna go straight into the fragrance. Prada Paradox is what it's giving because I want to give grown and sexy. I want to give mysterious. Again, whenever I am in my resort wear, which I do choose intentionally to be able to wear it in the summer confidently, I just want to give mysterious island gal. I do. And Prada Paradox is just like adult bad girl ting. The adult bad girl ting is what Paradox gives. Like there's a little flirty allure, but that almost muskness just kind of, it's what whips the heads. I know a lot of the people think it's the fruity fragrances. I'm telling you, just a little bit of like an oud or a musk just makes the fragrance really pop. So please keep that in mind. You always hear me talk about being intentional regardless of how you're spending your money or where you're spending your money. But this is why, of course, I can wear a crochet dress on vacation, but this is another way that I could style this every day to get more wear out of my pieces and really make sure I'm getting that cost per wear. However, this next combination is probably going to surprise you, but I'm telling you, the confidence level through the roof. A turtleneck this late in the spring season as we head into summer. Am I Diane Keaton and Something's Gotta Give? No. No, I'm not, but I love a mesh or a crochet top with a skirt whenever the weather gets warmer. Here's how I was doing it last year. First and foremost with this fun oversized tee from Zara and this H&M skirt. She is the moment, super casual. Then again, as we were approaching fall with another Zara crochet top and also another H&M skirt. Yeah. And what I'm showing you today is this H&M top with a Vici collection skirt. I feel so confident in this because I feel like we all need a power print. Okay, I don't know if you guys were watching It's Carolyn Gray and she was sharing the outfits that made her feel confident, but an influencer she follows put her onto a power color, and I really was like, you know what? I love a power print. And for me, that's always been animal print. It's an ode to my grandma Darla, who just had that I don't give a fuck energy. And I love that in my older age, one of the compliments I'm getting from my family members is that I remind them of her because she passed away almost a decade ago now, guys. And she was so impactful to who I am today and my style. So whenever I put on animal print, I feel like I'm just like a little Darla. And it just makes me feel so confident and also connected. And I think we sleep on that as we are putting together our outfits when we're chasing the trends and the latest, is that connection to either a younger self or to somebody who's been really important in our lives. So this top from H&M I've had for about 5 years now. Again, a testament to the fact that your girl is going to find quality at any price point, because this was not more than $20. And you see, she has lasted and looks good. Paired with this gorgeous midi skirt from Vici collection, it's giving grown boss energy, right? Like this would be even perfect for the 9 to 5. And girlies with the body, come here, come here. It's okay if your clothes are tighter at your 9 to 5 just because your body is your body, okay? Like, we know the difference between the girlies who are trying to show body and the girls who just have body. So please let me give you that permission. If you've ever been scared, I definitely wore this as an engineer to my 9 to 5 many a time. And it was giving. And I just love how easy and breezy this is. And I just love how amazing this is and how it's giving body, but it's also not too tight. That's why I love a good mesh top, because it's breathable and I can move. And this skirt is very, very roomy. Now to dress it up even more, I'm gonna go with my grown woman's sandals. Bottega energy. I really just want to keep the look sleek, so I don't want to distract with any brighter colors. So these brown sandals are so perfect from Bottega. Now, did I need to spend Bottega money? I'm going to be honest, Tony Bianco has a similar pair to these that are a fraction of the price, and Tony Bianco has great quality. Don't feel like you need to get the Bottega versions. Now, if Bottega means something to you, cool. But the quality of Tony Bianco is going to give what it needs to give if this is just not where you at right now. For the bag, if you're new here, this may be news to you. I love a monochrome look. Brandon! I don't know why he always acts so shy whenever hold on, let me go get him. Brandon! Here he go. You know I love my little Kiwi bag from Brandon Blackwood, adding a little bit more texture, which playfully elevates the look. Y'all know texture is just my secret sauce for giving elevated, which just makes me feel more confident. For the fragrance, it's also giving Prada Paradox. I'm actually curious, do you swap your fragrances based on your look or just based on the season? For me, I definitely have a go-to daytime fragrance and then like 2 go-to nighttime fragrances depending on what I'm going to do. And Prada Paradox, she definitely is one of my all-day girlies, I feel like. So this, for me, I'm gonna smell so delicious. And I'd love to hear your thoughts on what you think your power pattern is. Let me know in the comments below while I change into my next no-fail outfit combination. You probably could have guessed if I mentioned the power print that the power color was coming. I know for Virgos we're supposed to be brown because we're earth tones and we're grounded sometimes, but I'm claiming yellow. And I love monochrome. It gives clean and classic like a good neutral, but it's just so much more fun, let's be honest. Like this top I got from a local boutique called Pattaya. I love them. I know they have a couple of locations, not just here in Michigan, but I think in Indiana and a couple of surrounding states. This is just so easy, and it's got the fun tie sides. I didn't tie them up for this because I actually wanted them to dangle and be playful, paired with the Kai Collective jeans. They were worth every penny. If you needed a sign that they were worth every penny, let this be the sign. And really, this just makes me feel so fun. And I find when I'm expressing myself and my joy and wearing things that actually make me feel joyful, I am more confident. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, Jordan, I shop at these places, I never see these pieces, help. Go ahead and sign up for my email list because I share bi-weekly roundups, not just of the new ins with my sustainable materials eye to help you find quality at any price point, because baby, we're not wasting coins over here, but also other style tips and tricks and exclusive discounts in your inbox. And if you're not an email girly, babe, I totally understand. Like to Know It is another great place to follow me because I share weekly roundups there as well. So we are gonna triple down on the joy with even more yellow, starting with the yellow Puma Speed Cats, y'all. And what makes these so special to me is that my grandfather is actually a Porsche hobby racer. I know, that's so random. It's something that he's loved to do for years. And so as a kid, we would always go to the racetrack for Memorial Day, for Labor Day, and watch him race his Porsche. And he always wore him some Speed Cats, like so much so, we bought him a couple of pairs for his birthday and for Christmas when we didn't know what else to buy the man who literally has everything. So this to me is like an homage to him, but also my way with the fun yellow. And we're gonna be a little nasty if you can remember whose name we're calling. It's Mr. Kors. This Poochette bag honestly is just so fun and it's so easy and so bright. And when I'm thinking about what to bring into my wardrobe that's gonna make me feel confident, I love when the shades match. And I also love when I can coordinate the bag and the shoes. I know it might be retro, I know it might be outdated, but I love it. Yeah, I do. And I mean, how cute. The proof is in the pudding of the fit. Now for the fragrance, I want something as fun and as playful as the outfit. Enter Valentino's Green Extravaganza. I always have some funny accents, y'all. It is what it is. Just you're in for the ride now. But this is fun, it is floral, it is fresh, but still gives grown woman energy. This is my daytime fragrance. When I want the heads to turn and break the necks and the girls to be like, who is you? The Green Extravaganza, honestly, is just one of the things I reach for time and time again, especially again for the daytime to smell fresh, flirty, and confident. And it's really funny because I didn't always feel confident in colors, but I have found that the more I wore them and the more I played around with it, the easier it became and the more confident I got in doing it. So the secret style trick the girlies are just not telling you that I'm gonna put you onto, practice. Practice the outfits you want to wear, play around with the colors and the prints, and the more you get used to wearing them, the more confident you're going to be in them and the more amazing that you're going to feel in the fits. And this last outfit combination is really a testament to that and how far I've come in my style journey and finding pieces and outfits that make me feel confident without fail. The last no-fail outfit combination is always going to be a matching set. I feel like that shouldn't be a surprise if you've been watching my channel at all. Now, it doesn't have to be as bold as the one I'm wearing, but this truly just is a testament to where I'm at with my style and with my confidence overall, because I really want you to think about what your favorite compliment has been. Like, think about the one compliment that just is the most top tier to you. Because for me, it's definitely when someone says like your energy or your vibe, meaning that like the outfit and the piece just all match me and who I am. I love pieces that really make me feel like that. And when I tell you, people literally have stopped me to say that they thought this piece was specifically made for me. It's this Sandro set. I mean, it's so playful, it's so colorful, and yet it's not overwhelming. And that's one thing I always struggled with when I wanted to play with prints and patterns, was not to feel overwhelmed or stressed or fussy. And I've even found that this set translates really well to be worn separately. Like, I've worn this top with the Kai Collective pants, right? Like, who am I? Because years ago, I really was like ride or die, neutrals only. That's the only way to have classic style. But if this is not proof that prints and colors can be playful and timeless, I don't know what to tell you. And literally a matching set, again, it's just so easy. It's gonna work for a lot of different occasions. And the key here is to choose a style that really works for your lifestyle, right? I am a creative full-time now, so it's okay for me to wear crop tops and shorts to work, outside, to play. But if you have a traditional 9 to 5, a cute short sleeve and long pants combination, I've seen this one. I also have a long sleeve combination I've been eyeing up from ASOS, this one. All of these are gonna be playful and easy to wear and restyle and so breezy and easy for summer. And patterns get more compliments. I'm gonna say it, like, don't get me wrong, I've seen a couple of good neutral sets and neutral dresses, but 90% of the time I see someone get stopped in the summertime. It's usually with some kind of print pattern or color. I'm just gonna say it. Like, if that's the goal this summer, you need to pop out in some prints. There's so many fun ways that I have styled this set. Here's a few ways right here because it's so versatile. Like, my rule is I need at least 5 ways to wear something. And even if that means it's re-wearing the set itself, it might mean styling it with new shoes or new accessories, just to have those options as well. But this, when I say the confidence is through the roof, when I say you can't tell me Nathan, Nary, nada, ain't nobody better than me. Ain't nobody bad. Don't get me wrong. You're bad too. I'm not saying you not bad and you are equally bad, but I am I'm in my own zone in this set, okay? My own zone. And I love that for me, and I want that for you too. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well so you do not miss a video from me with more realistic style tips to help you feel amazing and confident. Plus, if you're looking for even more no-fail outfit combinations, head over to this entire playlist because it has way more than what I showed you, plus even more tips to help you feel amazing today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you over there.